In this video, we're going to take you step by step through the installation of GAF Pro Start starter strip shingles. To get started, break a Pro Start starter strip shingle into two separate starter strips at the perforated line. When using 39 3/8 inch field shingles, remove 3 inches from the first starter piece. When using 36 inch shingles, start with a 10 inch starter strip. Position the first strip parallel to the eave, sealant side facing up, and toward the eave edge. Remember, starter strips should overhang eaves, rakes, and the drip edge by 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch. Starting 1 to 2 inches in from the edge, nail along a line 1 inch to 3 inches above the eave. Do not nail into the sealant. Place nails every 10 to 12 inches and the final nail 1 to 2 inches from the ending edge. Apply the second and subsequent starter strip shingles the same way. Always position nails so that they will not be exposed under the first course of shingles. Remember, the butt joints of the starter should not line up with the butt joints or the tab cutouts of the first course of shingles and will vary by application. For long eaves, a 10 inch to 12 inch piece of starter strip shingle may need to be installed periodically to adjust the offset. Along the rakes, position the first starter strips so that it overlaps the eave edge starter strip by 3 inches. Continue up rakes, installing normally and overlapping at the ridge. An option installation is to align the first starter strip on the rake with the eave starter strip at the corner. Then trim from corner to corner to provide a seamless line of adhesive. Be sure to check out more GAF Pro Series installation videos. Good luck with your roofing project.